back to our cookie channel, Cookie Time with Daniela. Today we are making sugar shortbread cookie. I am here today with
Bethel.
Okay, so what are we cooking today? What are we making?
Sugar shortbread cookies.
Good. So
the cookies are going to turn out so well.
That's what you think?
Yeah.
Okay, let's start it. What do we have to make the cookie? Or the ingredients? What are the ingredients?
Flour, butter, eggs,
Vanilla extract? Yeah, that's true.
milk, sugar,
And brown sugar. That's what we are using for the ingredients today. So we will start with what first? Milk. We'll be starting with milk first. So this is the amount of milk we're using. We can leave that one for now, set aside that. If it's not enough, we can add to it, right?
Yes.
Good. So what next?
Vanilla extract.
Good job. So we are adding vanilla extract to make it what? Yummy. That's good. So we just drop this one here. So I know that's your part. So are you using this one? Okay, good.
I'm not really good at baking eggs. So
You are very good at everything you do. Wow.
yeah.
That's awesome. You did that. You really did that. Okay, so we're adding this one. What is this again? Yeast.
Yeast.
That's yeast. We add 2 spoons of sugar for now. This is the butter we melted. We added the mixed butter. You want to do that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's cool. So we will add the sugar, the flour now. Okay, so we adding the flour now, right? Okay. Yeah, I will use my hand to do it though. Are you preparing to do with your hand too?
Yeah, I'm super prepared.
Okay, let's see. This can do it too.
This is looking doughy.
Yeah. So, okay. Wow, this is really good. Yes, so we'll be adding a little bit flour. To make it a little bit thicker dough, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Keep mixing. You want to put your hand too?
Yeah.
I think the bowl is too small though. Oh yeah, let's see. So I take it out from the bowl to make the dough here. So add a little bit flour to it because it was too kind of soft. So yeah, this is how it looks like now. I will leave it for like 20 to half an hour to rest before I will start the baking continue. Yeah, this is how the dough. Okay, just be smoothing. After 20 minutes, right?
Yeah.
You just keep flattening it like this. try to make the shape better for you to cut. Okay, I will just be putting sugar. You can just turn it to wherever here you can see properly. Please, they're free for you to small them to the right shape you want. I'm just don't want to add too much of sugar. According to the recipe, you can use as many sugar you want, because that is what the cookie is all about. Okay, same thing again. At this point, it's very important to close that part for the first and the second and the third one. You might not want to cover it properly, but this last stage, you will want to do that. We'll be using this one, brown sugar on top, and just use your hand to flatten this one. Yeah. Yes, you see, come on, measure it. This is your job. I mean, mention. Tell me where and where to cut it, so everything can be the same. Okay, let me see. Oh, maybe right. Okay, we start here, right?
Yeah. I also have an easier idea.
Okay, tell me.
You can just cut it from here and just keep making it.
Oh, which one?
Yeah,
This one?
You can just keep doing this and then it gets easier.
We don't want some to be bigger than some. Oh, no cheating, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Where the train? Get the train. Let's put it in the train. Yes. Oh. Okay. The knife. Go well. Move your hand a little bit. Good job. You don't want them to join together. Good job.
And we're gonna bake the cookies for about 20 to 25 minutes.
Good job, Sissy. That's very true. We're baking it for 20 to 25 minutes as Sissy already tell you when. I think we need to close it so all of them will fit the tray. Let's move it closer. Okay. We can even make the line 4. Right? Better. Yeah.
Yeah, we can fit 5 in the line.
5? I think will be too close. If we make it 5.
Yeah.
I think 4 is okay. What do you think?
Yeah, but they don't need that much space, but it's gonna be okay.
Oh, okay, Mama.
That is the cookies.
For you.
And shortbread cookies are gonna be the best cookies.
I know. We didn't add too much of sugar, though. But that's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's very ready now. I'll be taking it out. Yeah, look at it. Brown. Wow, it's ready. We are ready to go.
It's so good.
Okay, what did you see? Oh.
It tastes so great.
Tastes very good. Almost like meat pie. I prefer this one than meat pie though. Wow, not too sugar. That's very good. This is awesome. You see, what do you have to say now?
We should make this every day.
Who have time to do this every day? That's what you have to say?
Yes.
Okay. So if you dance for me, I'll try do 2 or 3 times in a week. Maybe what about that? Bribing. That's good. Okay, give me a high five. You tried. It come out very good. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you never subscribe. Please support us. We really need your support. Help us to share, like, comment, and try to make it too, and then let us know how you get yours and then how you feel. Thank you so much, and we'll see you next week. Have a blessed week. Bye. Thank you.